Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant in-app notifications from games on LinkedIn while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to easily disable those game notifications so you can focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred browser and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find your profile and account options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control a wide range of LinkedIn features. On the left side of the screen, click on Notifications. This section is where you manage all the alerts LinkedIn sends you, including those from games. Now, scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Games. Click on it, and you'll see the option for Games Notifications. Here you can control exactly how and where you receive notifications related to games on LinkedIn. To turn off in-app notifications for games, simply switch the toggle next to Allow Gameplay Notifications to the off position. This will immediately stop LinkedIn from sending you in-app alerts about playing or finishing games, as well as notifications about your connection's game activities or shared scores. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've successfully disabled in-app notifications for games on LinkedIn. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to this menu and turn them back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be looking to declutter their LinkedIn experience. Enjoy a quieter, more focused LinkedIn from now on.